Hello. So this fancy idea of okay, when you get the top off of a bottle, you got the start of a really nice hydroponic setup right there. You put the bottle in there, fancy. Sorry about the glare. What we got in there is a medicine bottle that fits the that. Yeah. That part, take the cap off, put it on there, cut the bottom of that off, and you got roots coming into the water. Fancy stuff, right? And now I gotta figure out the rest of the stuff about, I think this all needs, there needs to be water all the way up to the top. I don't know if there doesn't need to be. I think, yeah, well, we got a few different plants in there. That's, I don't remember what it is. The big leaves are a pumpkin seed from a rat and mouse food. I think that's an actual. That's not a peanut. That's a peanut seed. There's a difference. The one of them's barley, beer barley. I think is what it was called. The tall ones should be that. There's another that's going to be purple leaves. That's another pumpkin, but another peanut seed, but it didn't work out yet. And so okay. And the big, that's kind of fancy is the roots grew down really quickly. And yeah, okay, well, yeah, so that was just the whole medicine bottle idea where you put because it lets them, you gotta, if you center it pretty well, it doesn't even really have to be centered. I just wanted to center it personally. But and there's a small gap for roots to come out and grow into the water. All right. Yeah, have a good day, bye.